Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome and I hope you stick around. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this easy soft glam makeup look. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyelids with concealer and set it with my loose setting powder. For this eyeshadow look, I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe Divine Neutrals palette. The first shade I'm going to go in with is Good Vibes. Now for the next shade, I'm going in with the shade Boo Bear. With this shade, I'm going to focus it more on the outer corner of my eyes. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Chic Happens. Now, moving on to the face. I'm going to start off by moisturizing my face using the CeraVe Facial Moisturizing Lotion with sunscreen. Next, I'm going to prime my face using the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation in the shade Fair 25W. Next, I'm going to be using the Makeup by Mario Cream Contour in the shade Dark. Now I'm going to be going in with the Rare Beauty Liquid Blush in the shade Happy. Next, I'm going to be using the Rare Beauty Liquid Luminizer in the shade Enchant. Now for concealer, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer in the shade Fair 15W. Next, I'm going to be setting my face using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Fair. Alright, now that I set everything in place, I can now go in with the rest of my powder products. The first product I'm going to go in with is my Wet n Wild Contouring Palette. The next product I'm going to go in with is the NYX Sweet Cheeks Blush in the shade Rose and Play. Now for highlight, I'm going to go in with the Kylie Cosmetics highlighter in the shade Dream About Me. Next, I'm going to set my face using the NYX Dewy Finish Makeup Setting Spray. Alright guys, so I did my lashes off camera. I used the Kiss So Wispy lashes. Now the last thing I need to do are my lips. For lip liner, I'm going to be using the NYX Lip Pencil in the shade Nude Truffle. And for lip gloss, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow. Alright guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button to get a notification every time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!